What's good, YouTube? My name is Alex, and this is my first YouTube video. Today we will be unboxing the Supreme Nike Spectrums, and let's get into it. Go to the box. For some reason, the tape coming off. Yep. Now let's get into it. I got these in a size 10.5. I don't know if I plan on keeping them or reselling them, but I got it in my size because I want to do, well, I don't know, I'll see if I like them or not. And I wanted to get the best fitting shoe, I guess, size. I got a 10.5, but I think my feet grew a little bit, so I should have stuck with 10. Supreme. Coming out the box. Just take one out. So these are the shoes. Got the little Supreme on the tongue. Got the shoes. Yeah. The shoelaces have these like little shiny look to them. You can see it. I ain't never seen no shoelaces like that, so it's kind of interesting that they did that. The soles, I guess. It looks pretty nice. The insoles feel really good. I actually saw a video on YouTube about these shoes without the Supreme collab. They said it was a running shoe. Came out like some time ago, like 2004 or something like that. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing, but this one got, you know, the little Supreme and then the Supreme on the back. I mean, I think they're still pretty nice. I don't really like the black ones with green flames on it. I actually got some other shoelaces with it. Let's see on the tips say something. Oh, it says World on the tips. These say World as well. But the other shoelaces is just plain white. There's no shine to them. It would have been nice to have a little bit more Supreme branding on it, but yeah, this is my first pair of Supreme shoes I've ever copped, and yeah, I got another Supreme unboxing I forgot to bring downstairs, so I'll be right back. I'm back. Here goes the other. It's the Supreme pouch. I got it on Grail. I got the small kind. Yep. I think I missed this drop. I'm not sure why I didn't get this. Or Oh, it was because I was going for the shoes, I guess. I don't remember. Uh, Here it goes. Comes with one Supreme sticker. The box didn't come with no Supreme stickers. I mean, the Nike didn't come with no Supreme stickers or anything. But yeah, here goes the sticker. And here you go, the small pouch, I guess. Go right there. But yeah, I guess it's like for water, it's like waterproof or something like that. Yeah, for my phone, I don't know if my phone can fit on there. Let's open this up. I'm keeping this for the personal, probably. It's really, I really like it. You just got some quick money in here. Oh, it's instructions. It's kind of hard to put my phone in. God dang. It's really tight in there. So I guess I could just put my ID and credit card stuff on it. Really can't fit my phone in it, it's too big. Yeah, it's a little pouch. Supreme spell out. Dad shoes.